But that's what I'm saying, fit my more. Like, this one me look sophisticated. So, like, for instance, hold on, let me get my lip balm. I don't want, who this that? Hey, move now. So, I got my lip balm. But I can't get on fire. Okay. Okay. Then them say girl ugly. That's what the boy them around the girl, you know. The rest of the boys, them like the girls, cause the girls them look nice. Now, imagine oh my mother band with a bad trip. And when I got a boop back bang in your bumbo. Let's come out flawless. Anyway, fresh. Anyway, chat I look too galaxy me there. Naturally. And that's the truth. Naturally, another it beats them. Chat that thing about the meter shower. Okay, let it come here, let it. Let it can afford 7 meter shower in a night, yeah? Tracks. Tracks. They look 7 meter shower. Let it all you stay. They look 7 meter shower from one somebody. It have to be one somebody have to send the whole 7. Oh, it go. We have to look it from one somebody. Oh, it go. Boy, we can't get it from all some of them. All the thank you. Yeah, that me forgot the because boy, the flow. Shot always stay. Look to moderator. We look one somebody with 7 meter shower. How much you meter shower? Look, that can't work out in a night, you. That can't work with out in a night, yeah. One somebody with 7 meter shower. How does that work out in a night, yeah? That can't work out in a night, right? One somebody with 7 meter shower. That can't work out in a night, yeah. That can't work out in a night, yeah. A rotted cup. That would cost to be a miracle. I go look back in our gallery. Bumbo. Rasclad. Bumbo. A 2 lion, my love. Why TikTok beat the gallery that week, yeah? Tita Warmer. We all look the God. Can't work out tonight, yeah. Mal will have a 73 post. The gallery lock down chat, they need me to show how much. Turtle feet. 150. One somebody will have to send that would this a 13-meter shower.
El hueso de cuánta gente fea en una sola partida.
Oh, I take picture with me, yeah.
Very easy. Let me get in the flash.
Quiz easy, no? Turn on the flash.
I'm gonna go up on the PS so like flash on.
Hey, I mean, I come back now, come on and get some food.
Yeah, le famoso.
Yeah, no, I'm ready, girl.
I'm a look a girl, don't shirt the life here. I look some meter show where I shirt the life, huh? I look somebody with 2 meters show, I don't want the life is here. If a man me there. From morning. From morning me there, from morning me there here, from morning. No the live share. From morning me there, I don't want the live share. So long I put in my work, I don't want the live share. I say me I look so much, I am looking some meter show, I don't want the live to share. Where I show the life from? Sit there. From man, me there. From man, me there, I just said close. Me don't want the live share. I'm there saying, the 1 o'clock business, I say, can you come on? In the 8 o'clock business, I say, can you come on? I say, you know what? Let me go restart. Because sometimes when someone is sitting upon girl, if I'm still down, no move. No don't move. So I start over. From man, me there, from son at me out the door. What kind of what I want now? No want nobody come antagonize me. Come here, user. You're at the wrong yard. I'm Diana was subscribe. No make me rose of a black here. Don't share the live. The black don't share the live. No make for black you. Me don't want a crowd pan. Me I look 7 meter shower for the gallery. You not gonna give me it. We are send come call give me. What is that? Progress. Can we get some progress? And nobody full up the blacklist in a can. Don't want the blacklist to be filled. So when I feel sick, I feel sick last night, I say, Father God help me. So me don't wash me, they don't wash me here. I feel kind of flowy. I feel better. Wednesday last night I feel kind of flowy, man. Most wanted.
She's back.
And if you got some time to spare, I was thinking we could fall in love. I want to let you in.
Music y'all play.
Catch my fall if I ever just fall for you.
Yeah.
My love for you.
Warren Miguel. What? I don't know that I ask you about me. I ask you, say, if you can't fill out the meter shower in the gallery, you stay so. We can do it tonight or tomorrow until you can do it before the week done. That good, man. What I want,
When a day, girl, you good? I like your ear.
Thanks. There's a one chat.
Oh, you're just a normal out. And me too. Mr. Normal out to see me and say me I come past you and say hi.
The way the man class was there.
Boy, me I tell him rub me first, you know. Yeah, but me did a deal with him. Class me.
And then
Cause
say, me as a thinking child go over there, go sell him lion.
you should go over there go sell him lion. I saw it go.
Sure.
Boy, me not tell no lie, the people them gravelicious though. You know, long me and him a cuss and it, no. You see, as the and him start cuss a peer screen recording.
How long to you over there? How long to you been over there?
Yeah, me and him over there put it one piece of show down. And true, me go tell him pan out the jewelry.
You doesn't do how long time gambler, you know? Bro.
One piece of judgment, him rub me and tell me to buy man bike. And them cut out my belly. Him tell me some things. Him tell me some things. Him say you're a squatters. You don't own your house. She rub me and say Rose. But me and him go back and I provoke him because me did a plague him to come. Me did a get him miserable. Can him go over there hype and depend. Oh, you see my spirit, I'm in a good energy. How one thing lick him bubble. A peer judgment. Boy, a peer, it was messy. Trying to be a good Miguel? Yeah, it was messy. Why Rose had licked the man shit though. You
Never
can't
said
do that.
never said go buy people 5,000.
And that, say, from Rose gonna
But the
say,
man come back last night and say my small dog.
so which man that?
One Jeffrey's interview last night over here. Want to see the interview, the chat? Man, classy, me see.
How women are like to some people that make sleeping dogs lie. Like Carl Cheryl now. Why? Me not telling a lie. Cheryl, like everybody with Rose Cossie, I go send them a lion.
Yeah.
Rose, they know if I me like him, I run up them bill, I cost 5 people a day.
Me know everybody me cost you give them share.
You can run up the bill, man. Cost 6 people a day. Me did get one too, so I can't say nothing bad to bad. Sorry, Cheryl. Because me did get one too. Sorry,
They are watching now. She and I play them, they are watching now.
Sorry, girl, me did get one to goodie. Me not tell a lie, me not be ungrateful. Me did get one to when me and Rose there put it down. But I was play cussing that. The night when Rosa say, them girl they have to come send something, and them not like me answer. Me did
Yeah,
get
but
one.
the day when she over there, but me don't want to pull her out more. You know me that pull her out, yeah.
No, and that day, remember that day, me never know who.
Me easily, what say Roger? Me easily picture me she fear me, you know. Me easily pick her feather and then she know what them over there, you know. And time I open my mouth, you know, a man quelling her shit, you know. The whole of them, she, Nessa, the whole of them friend them out like pies.
Me not cuss her though, bad to bad, because she'd give me one lion.
Never say me cuss her. Me cuss out her blood because she out of fast with me.
Not cuss her, she'd give me one lion.
One day she come
And
and
she don't cuss me.
What day she come and Jamaica?
And she did tell me if I done one time, I'ma say me I go done, but me never done.
Yeah.
So me not cuss her, she not give me that bad energy, you know? And one thing me like with you too, you not go force me to do nothing. That's why I have
You know
to
what,
check
Roger?
you.
I can't force of a class somebody for me. And I can't force if I take up my burden for your shoulder. Me can't angle sharing.
Rosie lady did give me one lion one time, you know?
Me, she used to give me too. But that I now know.
Yeah, you used to get lion too?
Yeah. She have one different name. I don't remember the name what she did have. Before
Or them time they used to say Jake Small Rice.
Them that time there, me and them didn't have beef, but whenever that big castle. Yeah, she also used to give me. Come back and send me whole heap of posts. I be the one that send me
And she not cuss me, she not care what bad to bad.
Me no response,
Even
but
when
you
I cuss Jakes.
Me no response, but you wanna me no response, but you wanna Roger, I'm a libertarian time. I feel like for libertarian. Me never go nowhere in our personal business.
Alright, baby.
After that girl put them out, I'm pick the war, me and them a war. My business. I don't know if I'm the way. I don't know if I'm the way, you know. And I don't know if I'm the way.
Hey.
I should not back them now back out. Them now back out and them now back down. Everywhere me there. Mr. One night me and drop her over your car.
I'm a baby bad to bad, you know? I'm a girl.
Mr. One night me and drop her over your talk and she's called Father Greasy Face. So run go click live. Not sure I can me get them timid. I mean them Rosalie make that after that not timid.
I take that and nothing now going over here. Look like me forgot plan one war with it and get 2 lion from Cheryl. But
You know, send it that you know I plan it. I heard that shall look now. Word and a film broke self. Walk and gamble out every dollar in America. And palm out every chain.
oh God, that's
And show. Then Roger, if you leave from a man, but Roger, stop like you're idiot. The two of you are gangster people, I get to grow. If you will leave from having
Of
things,
course, me too, you know, Shana,
don't care
baby.
where one chat say. If you will leave from having things, two, you will leave for a big niche. When am I run boy, I'm not arguing with nobody. When am I run boy, I'm not arguing with nobody.
Only me.
After you leave from a big niche to crumbs, we always a bank repossess your house. You broke. What broke is with gambling. The arrow of them. And them bet big. You can't win one hand bandit. You have to play for fun. Yeah, stop doing that. I'm gonna pop off my door. Go sit down. Alright.
Lady Bless. Lady Bless.
Me no go casino.
Lady Bless, make us something on Lady Bless.
Me no go casino.
Shana, baby, I'm a Dan.
Me no go casino.
Lady Bless, you begging something.
Me no go casino, but me not go tell a lie. Me got my little chill out spot, buy my drink around my one tally beer and hold a 2 purse. Me know exactly what I'm doing. I don't care. My belly go.
No, but you're type of look at something. I don't know. Cause me too. Me we pull up a one bar and I drink something and put one $5,000 in the box.
I'm going to press.
Because me there.
Him. Go sit down, me do my work. I want come in and come see crumbs. I go and we eat. You want something again to eat? To go where to put on go and do I don't know.
Lady Bless, why you come with it for, Lady Bless? Why you come with a problem for? Shana, baby, you can't deal with that for me, Shana, baby, please. Because I can't take the problem, you know. Lady Bless, why you come with it for? Why look a reason, or war now go on here?
Well, Lady Bless, she has say. Remember, you know, you move from park.
Say you gamble too.
Yeah, but me don't own nobody. Me don't own nobody. Me don't own nobody. Me gamble too, but me don't own nobody. Me don't own nobody. Of course we do things. All we do things, but we know what we are do. We not do nothing. We not do nothing to mash up ourselves in our life and turn plague on people. When back in the days when he named Worldawg, him not argue with nobody. He might say 2 words and that's it. I dancing them say I do dancing and content and them not are when give a run over there. But know what me I talk about. Lily love come eat up my hole. You're too enough. I don't know what I talk about. A long time you rather the blood clot on ya. When them have big clot over them now add we. And them say them a big dog. Now him a puppy roof of me or move. Sure supposed to say any amount of land cause she and him hungry.
Yeah, amazing Jamaican, he did there though. But him used to add me still, you know. Because me and him used to play till we kick the bucket. But them never used to want to add Rose because them did things that Rose did small. Them time, the only time them add Rose now when them say Rose have the crowd with our local talk and so everybody does what eat.
Them start, remember them scan me. So when that sucker woman there, right? Them used to scan me. And when the script flip, what them over there and him say more sitting for go over.
Me not gonna say him never add me because me and him used to play. But them never really used to add she for true.
Back in the days, all what me I say is back in the days when money are run to him never used to walk and argue so with people. When them call him world fish, him shut him mouth. You know what me I talk about. When them one of them over here, them call one of them Batman. The whole of them get it. The whole of them get it and them never prove it. Them never prove it for nobody yet. But when they're on top, him get it. Worldawg get it. Swissley get it. Six get it. Dona get it. Everybody get it. When I hear time I hear ride. Them have them time when them ride. Everybody get them time. But I'm saying this to say that when you have a time, nobody have a bad mind, you know. So we are come, all me say the man, oh, you have 5 to. You will go to them more big and still.
Yeah, man, them is
I'm a this and all of this and all of that. I never ask all of them questions there. The last week my audio can't tame. The last week my audio. I just say you want people to go over your Twitch. You done Twitch already? The reason you fall out because you're greedy. It depends on money say you got pop blood clot bars and come to Jamaica you want me smoke shop and it crash and gamble.
No, him say we don't need any.
Oh.
Him say we don't need them, Barry. Look, me and him did a cuss today, you know. But even when we done cuss still, we're still good. But him a rub me and me a rub him. You understand? Because when we done cuss, I go back over there and me a provoke him same. And I say, you still a cuss?
I cuss him, I laugh off him, I cuss him, I laugh off him, I cuss him, I laugh off him.
I'm say, Worldawg, you see them, Barry?
And then tomorrow or 3 days or 4 days, I feel like I'm on my life and play too much with him. I add him on the live and play too much with him, but I'll share it our neck.
Yeah, because the thing is that, you know,
they can't follow
then by now we are co-worker, we cuss one another every day.
Dog.
We cuss one another every day.
Anybody at any time, someone or two enough. So
we cuss one another every day. And remember, you know, Worldawg and me, one of our content when we used to play game was cussing each other.
Trolling game.
He used to cuss me used to cuss him. That's how we used to play. So even when we want to sit today, when me and him go back and forth and I cuss.
Worse in that their game.
I saw we stay from.
Worse in that their game, because this is long I play on the local their game at their time. And them time the chin bim and Jaffet, them are hot.
Yeah. So me understand theme thing, you know, but enough people when they outside now go really under. Cause uno no streamer, uno no know how we used to do it. So when you see him all a class me today, I may rub him out back a regular day.
But him only can class when I'm sip on the FY, people don't know no boy.
No, that's why I'm not. That's why I'm not take it serious.
Class him back.
Me not take it serious because we must say no.
Oh, you talk when you done the Worldawg, you block him.
You understand, chat? Because that's how we stay. That is a part of the thing where we ever cuss one another. It's just somewhere over here. And if una as the audience not get immune to that now, where una see it and not take it personal and try pick a side or push fury to the fire, it will be better because at the end of the day, una see as so we stay. We cuss one another every day and then I just with that again. So uno as the audience now, the problem coming when the segregation start and so. If uno as the audience, the dollar say, me no business with uno car every day uno cuss one another, uno that again. You know what we'd have to do? We'd have a blood clot second ourselves. You understand me? If the audience, the dollar look and I say, think me I look for uno every day uno cuss one another, or uno that a blood clot again. You understand me? What about this spam ice cream now? Bumbo clot.
What's that one more man come?
Move your blood, call me again. Your blood clot.
Wow. Yeah, the Shanta. You okay?
Yes.
There, man. I sleep.
No, I'm just there. It's not about that. Don't come out from somebody else there, but I am there.
I mean, man, Nigel, and your boy.
Alright, with them Nigel. So
There, nice one.
So back from more no?
I'm going to be.
May I catch my cold you know?
My grandma, you sick me, you know?
So what?
My sick me. Cause this weekend, me and my friends are gonna be this weekend.
You know better if me sick you, they catch a flu.
She said, if me catch COVID-19,
You have to catch it too.
Yeah, you know.
Hey, may you make people sick me. Day every minute. I'm not too in love, you know. No, I cook sardine and rice.
And still ask me for burger.
So what more my burger?
No, some me a juice.
Yeah.
You don't love me again, you know.
Hey, lock the door. I excuse my big people time now.
Don't talk to her right now.
You don't eat already?
You never know, so I don't say you're there for me, Frank. But why I want to? I just wish you tell myself I got you one.
Oh, say you someone like, no problem, man, no problem.
You have to share it with Auntie Shanta.
So no problem, you know.
Let's stop enough up.
What are we gonna see?
I know. I wanna lighten up in my business. You lighten up. Come to peace, no? Mama looking at it first. Do it.
Yes, I used to on breakfast.
What? What is stress out? You can't stress out. You're too wicked. Put the way face now. I told me every time I take a picture at night now.
Come. I said, come on.
My uncle Bar.
Come here.
Like give me life right. Everybody I get a bite. Bite please.
Hey, come look.
Boy.
I don't want to say.
Oh, I'm sit now come. Now cut it. Don't look like a camera.
Why we don't want to put the camera?
Come show me.
Oh. I know. What time is it? Time to cook. Yeah. Double whopper. What is this at the cottage?
Come on. Judgment.
It's my mommy Shanta or
Shanta.
Winter boss.
You come here, man. No. I'm gonna bite.
Yeah, cut it for me.
Okay.
You should eat that more than one come cook.
You should have done a better can cook.
Get them more on. Kill Thomas.
What is that?
Even we are here that we go somewhere like this. You know, you can this.
Go to the door. What's up the door? So come back and put that garbage bin.
So this alone is when I think.
Yeah. Kanta. Kanta.
Yeah.
Put that in that bin.
Kill Thomas.
You want piece, no?
When the first plant is going to be
Half a plant, my friend.
half a plant.
Can't use that time.
Kill Thomas. You know, make one boss out the super song. Oh, look at them. I don't want that, baby. And that's why I'm going to take the food away.
Me and give a piece.
I don't like beef burger, baby. That's why the food where you cook, me I eat.
Okay.
See, cowboys. Yo, shut something up.
I said no, sir.
Stop now. Sure.
You been stopping dinner?
I really want to taste that follow for me.
You're not talking about your girl.
We not chat you.
Well, no one on. Take up this and put in a garbage bin. I put that in a garbage bin. I'm going in a big people time.
We have to ever find taste for you. Last time you couldn't make a mother pick out some good girl.
I'm not pick them up.
Well, what kind of? What's my girl, that my dog? Till double.
No, sir.
Well,
I'm getting my watermelon.
I never eat none either.
Stop your life. I don't come and take over that easy.
Where in there eat? Rice ketchup, I can't do that.
Oh, wait a minute. My baby? Check up that.
No work, so.
See, I walk. You want to clean up and make you want to clean up.
I'm more boss. Alright. I'm boss intro.
The embarrassment. Okay. She's got the grip.
Let her off. No, yeah.
One of the things I eat, no? Too many carrots, how long I eat?
I don't want to go to the book here.
Babe, just don't spill. I love it.
But Barbara, they love it too.
But boy. But man.
It's so delicious.
It pepper full. You like pepper? Boy, when I'm moving, I like it, you know. Nothing in a pepper, man, you know.
I think we are watching Buddha coming. You are watching Buddha coming.
What kind of ramen?
Buddha.
Well, that's the spicy ramen.
We do spicy food.
That well spicy, man. No, man. That make me sweat, man. And running nose and bleeding.
Why you taste it before?
I eat it already. Yeah, eat it. Crazy, man.
But I'm back watching that fridge, you know. One now move and one disappear. Took up back from my bar.
I don't feel.
What do you put this on? Throw this in the garbage bin. Put this in the garbage. Put this in the garbage bin too. Make sure I say, you know, make the break them squeeze up in your pocket. Come put this in the fridge. In your pocket. Make sure it's not left in your pocket when you forget your bed here. Something really wrong with you. The bird wash out from the berry.
The lie is not tell.
Hey, wicked enough. Make sure my love is still enough. Say to me, say.
Then we never going to do it to level 2.
You wicked body now? Do you tell me yes, I came?
Babes, because I think someone could have do it. But when the doing wasn't doable, I couldn't do it. So I said, alright, tomorrow. God both me and babes. You think you could have do it, babe?
But you said it already.
No, me say that?
Yeah? But let's do that long time for morning.
Stop telling me.
God no.
Never tell you. I might be just say yeah. Because I never do it. But we never get to do it. So, I don't know, babe. I just never get to do it. I'm going to do it tomorrow, though. God bless me, I'm going to do it tomorrow.
Yo. I'm not going to joke with you, you know. I'm not for call, yo.
That means you don't love me again?
You're too wicked. Well, you fuck, you think not see every time I see you're too much. Stay on the FYP. The people that want to see you, just have come live. You come live tomorrow? Pull it.
You come yeah, man. And I think we got a Chantal there. Me tell you.
My life.
You ever eat and then they will drink your juice and come like a food stop in one place and you just have force to go down?
I'm going to poop here. I'm going to say I can't do that. Oh, I'm to you.
Okay.
Something wrong with you, my girl.
Me a piece by you?
Don't get angry then.
Oh.
Everybody got their own stick.
Yeah.
Where?
Hello. Why you not suck me there?
But
Why you not call my daddy?
Who I call it daddy? Or who for call me I call it daddy for?
You know, I don't make it sound, son. Make it sound sexy.
Who me I call it daddy for?
Call me daddy.
You righty?
Man, I run a joke.
I don't run a joke neither.
What am I saying for call?
Me I call it daddy for?
Don't laugh with me, you know. Daddy. I make it sound sexy.
Who me I call it daddy for?
You know what? Let it alone.
Daddy.
Yes. Yes.
It's a man papi show. It's a man papi show. Move. Me not run no joke with you.
Stop now, baby.
You're too wicked. False prophet.
Build the bus.
Me not get out of that drama, yeah. We say, I gotta get out of that drama. That's another one wicked, you see?
I'm gonna never stop calling my son. But that big boot boy there.
Another one wicked, you see?
They see that big boot boy there.
Well, it
Yeah, remember when you tell me say, Toto small to a tall and you to them?
never tell her that yet.
Easy no man.
You're not gonna make me not have no friend. When I gone, I go always see my friend. One
Oh,
base.
so you plan from God.
Are you a plan for God? Near Burberry, wash out.
Tell us something, girl. Never wear a wash up Burberry, yeah? That me I tell you. How much you pay for that shirt, eh?
What?
13,000 US.
I'm gonna sell my seat.
At 13 grand
What
US.
does it see?
Easy no babes. I'm telling you, my girl, stop. Boy, like you want to size up, you know. I want to size you up, yes.
13,000 for one shirt.
USD. Yeah, you mean when you talk, I don't want them think of Jamaican currency. Is that what I'm saying? Your shorts are not worth for money. About 8 grand USD. Little bit of money.
So you mean 8,000? Oh, that's
8,000 US dollar. What do you have to say to me? Babes must think everything Lily. I just not tell them, my girl. No, for true, I just not tell you. You feel like
Wicked, you see?
you feel like some wear old clothes like Toto them. I don't wear old clothes like Toto them, and good clothes I wear. The one thing, you know, every little friend we have, the old clothes them wearing. And that's why, I'm not even back a second.
June, good night everybody, good night everybody. Why the brother man they always a call me name? You know we are close, you know, that vibe, you know, young man.
Yeah, but you have the money there, you see we are selling.
Look at me name. Look at you, you're going to name your sardine and guys, eat it and belt, full of pepper.
Every day,
Look, but I don't know my start, so I stay away.
every day I'm calling you, coming around.
Why? I don't know what I do to, why I don't know what I do to deserve this. What have I done to the day that the living always against me?
No, I drove down the road, never tell me, say you look to us. Tall and all they told him.
My little total, June can't tell you that. Maybe take up myself a bit, little more, June, little more.
I know the old clothes are when they make a fly come here.
Yeah, oh, don't tell him can't do that if you train more, him train more directly. You understand? Little more.
It doesn't matter you train you directly.
Boy, they more posting, brother. Filter boss.
If you come here, the filter boss.
Money. I don't know. Money. Stop crops. So you remember something there?
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of little bit of food that you left for me. That's what I'm telling you, my girl.
We never cook no food for you.
See?
Ow! Never cook no.
Anytime I cook food for me, miss.
Here.
Let me light up this.
Never cook no food for you. I cook my food. For me, me generate. You broke my fingernail, you know.
And whenever I broke your fingernail and nah, here no box strokes.
Me can't find my watch. You see?
Yeah, my bit. Yo, me not be a bucket, you know.
Your bright teeth can't fit your hand.
Eh, tell my girl.
It can't fit your hand.
So how you want to have things over here for me? I can't have things over me.
Now, if you see my watch, me say nothing, me just can't find it. I remember when me do your
I'm
it.
just wait for them.
Do me have over here for you? Nothing.
My hat,
We out there.
my shoes.
Where your shoes there?
No. Where my shoes though?
You take a red shoes long time ago with it.
My girl, so as the next money I come take up my shoes.
You come for your red shoes, gonna take red shoes long time ago with it.
Clothes,
None of them did they?
my shirt. Where I don't know where you put it. All heap of things. So if I'm coming out, me upon him like this. You love me?
Are you forgot about me and give me a kiss and you love me again?
I'll get upon you to say I should me.
I'm not sure you have.
Baby, I love you.
When you come so happy? How you come from so happy?
I thought, babe, I go Taylor, I go deal with that, I go deal with this. So for me tell you say, come on, girl, Joe. So but tomorrow my might be supposed to go get them, go the ticket then. Me, every ticket online sell out, you know.
That's nice.
What me I go do?
Me don't know you say that I'm already.
Joe, man. Tomorrow me I go, somebody line up some films, so I go pick them up tomorrow.
You don't have to say about them already.
Huh?
You never
Tell us
stop like this.
tell us that they go online for buy the made up on. Typically you. You always waiting last
Me
minute.
know I pay that I say your work always last minute. A pay rush.
Stop tell like
I say you stay. Some know you like my hand, but that's why I ask you again, but it's something again.
you don't believe her, don't bar. And the last minute man, princess.
Everything at last minute.
No?
You want me to prove it to you?
Yeah. Eh?
I know.
I have that.
Oh?
I have that.
I last
I pick me for go pick you up. Let me
Okay.
do that from there.
Me say
So
you.
it's that two the dog end up of.
Whoa.
So I deal with that from there already. I remember a person I tell us I'm going to link. And me and the dog did that. You have to set up though.
No, yeah, I got set it up.
I don't know if you do it. I forget somebody for do it. Or somebody set up my own baby.
Well, hi. I'm Theo. Chat me, I go in, I'm gonna talk to my man. And some things on the car, coming up, someone over here, lied.